Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to put grid lines over a picture in Microsoft Word easily and accurately. This technique is very useful for design alignment, drawing practice, tracing images, educational worksheets, and layouts, and professional documents formatting. Microsoft Word does not provide a direct grid on image option, but with the right methods, you can place clean and adjustable grid lines over any picture without damaging the image. So let's get started. You can see here a document. Now I am create a blank document, press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then we can see here the blank page. Now I go to the view menu and we can see here the grid line. Now I am enable the grid line and go back the insert menu, select this picture and choose this device. Now I am select picture from my desktop. Now I am select this picture and click insert, but the picture don't down on the grid line. Now I make the picture over the grid line, go to the picture format menu and select the wrap text and click in front of text. Then go back the view menu and off the grid line. Then resize the picture. Make the size of picture small. Then go back the insert menu. Then select the table and choose your table row. Now I am select the table row. Then move the table on this page. Then select the image and go to the picture format menu. Select this selection pane and here the table and make the table front and make the picture back. Click this wrap text and select this behind text. Then move the picture table on the picture. Now you can see we make the grid line behind the picture very easily. You can change the color of the table. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.